Alright guys, we are doing the water pump today on 2019 BMW X3 and this is the water pump. It's already out. It's about 3 hours job. All you need to do, disconnect the sensor, disconnect that sensor, take off 3 star like number T30. When you take them off, before that there is a box, air box here. All you need to do, disconnect it from here, and there is 2 bolts, one here and one down there. Take them off, remove the bolt, take this one set aside, and you're gonna have a shield with a bunch of the plastic clips all around it. Take them out, then the water pump is gonna sitting there. So the tricky point is you're gonna have this diaphragm, which is gonna be open and close the bypass outlet, coolant outlet for the water pump. So you need to disconnect that one. It's gonna connect it via a rod right here, and then it's gonna be mounted on the bottom of the water pump right here with the 10mm screw. So you're gonna have kind of like blind spot. You're gonna go with the 10mm from the bottom, take that off, set it aside, and you're gonna have 4 bolts in total, 10mm all around it. When you take them off, you just need to just play with it and push it out. I'm pretty sure the new water pump doesn't come with the pulley, which is not a big deal. We can remove that pulley and reinstall on that one. And serpentine belt, I forgot to tell you. So you need to remove the serpentine belt, 16mm here, turn it clockwise, and take the serpentine belt off. Make sure you remember the diagram for the belt. And whenever you put back everything together, fill it up with the appropriate coolant for BMW. Put the heater in the full blast, let it run, and let that door open. It's going to bleed by itself. There is no special bleeding procedure for this vehicle. That was all about it. And one more thing, this water pump was leaking from here, as you see, and not from the gasket. The gasket sounds like pretty good. We don't have any problem on the gasket, but the problem was from that one. So basically, I mean, there is no point to replace that one since you have to take the whole water pump out. It's better to replace the whole thing rather than doing that. Be careful about these hoses, all this stuff. Sometimes check and make sure there is no leak on these things. One here, down there, one here, and we also disconnect this hose because it was going right here where my finger is. Let me see here, right there. It was right there because it was on the way when I was gonna take the water pump out. Again, there is nothing special, 3 hours job, kind of like a little bit complicated. A lot of stuff needs to come off. And that was all about it. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.